Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get the shock-resistant outfit. This valuable armor set, known as the rubber armor, offers crucial protection against electrical attacks. When you equip all three pieces, you'll gain complete immunity to lightning strikes, making stormy weather much less hazardous. Let's dive into where you can find each piece of this essential gear to keep Link safe from electric foes and environmental hazards. First, let's locate the rubber armor chest piece. Head to Whistling Hill Cave in Hyrule Field, just north of the Tenaitan Shrine. You'll need to destroy some boulders blocking the entrance. Once inside, navigate through the cave, dealing with enemies like Stockoblins. Eventually, you'll encounter a shock-like. Defeat this foe, and behind where it was guarding, you'll find a pile of rocks. Break these to reveal the chest containing your first piece of the shock-resistant set. Next, for the rubber tights, journey to Horon Lagoon Cave in Lanayru. The entrance is a noticeable hole in the middle of the lagoon. Inside, you'll navigate rising and falling water levels and encounter Horriblins. Destroy a rock wall with a bomb flower to reach the chest. For the rubber helm, go to Sarjon Woods Cave in Farron. Cut through vines at the entrance, then swim along the subterranean river, taking breaks on ledges. The helm awaits you at the end of this watery path. With all three pieces, you'll have excellent shock resistance. Remember, you can upgrade your rubber armor set at any great fairy fountain to boost its defense even further. If you want to personalize your look, visit the Hatino dye shop to change its color. And speaking of preparation, if you're looking to streamline your daily routine, check out the link in the description for some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, along with other great deals. Don't miss out on making your life a little easier.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.